What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of cotan of sine t over t. So the derivative of cotan x is negative cosecant squared of x. Derivative of cotan u is going to be negative u prime times cosecant squared u. So derivative of cotan sine t over t is going to be negative sine t over t prime times cosecant squared of sine t over t. So that's going to be derivative of sine t is cosine t times t minus sine t times derivative of t, which is 1 over t squared, times cosecant squared of sine t over t. So negative, when you multiply it, is going to be sine t minus t times cosine t divided by t squared times cosecant squared of sine t over t. So that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding differentiation, integration, and other topics in calculus, physics, and chemistry.